Morning children, let's start our new chapter 12, okay, basics of geometry. So children, in this chapter we will learn about understand the basic concepts of geometry like point, line segment, ray and plane. Okay, next is define and name of an angle. Third is measure and draw angles, classify angles, and then recognize parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. So first is understand the basic concepts of geometry like point, what is line segment, ray and plane. Okay, so see children, point means क्या होता है? This is the point children. Okay, this is point P, this is point A, this is point X. So point means point P, A and X. The point is simply a dot. Okay, point is simply a dot. It is a mark of the position. It shows the mark of a position and it has no length and breadth. So children, clear? Point is simply a dot. It is a mark of the position and it has no length and breadth. Okay, see children, the examples are given in your book. देखो, location of restaurant on a map. ठीक है, so some representation of point in everyday life are location of a restaurant on map, tip of a pen, it is a point, half of a button, it is a point, center of the dartboard, so it is a point. Okay, so simply point is a mark. Okay, point is simply a dot. It is a mark of the position and it has no length and breadth. Now second geometrical concept is line segment. See children, this is a line segment AB. Okay, line segment AB. So line segment means a straight line with two endpoints is called a line segment. So line segment has two endpoints. The two endpoints are A and B. Okay, it has a definite length. Line segment की क्या होती है? एक definite length होती है and its symbol is this. This is the symbol of line segment. Okay, and we can measure the line segment. जैसे आपसे बोला जाए कि स्केल में 5 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करो तो आप 2 पॉइंट्स मार्क करते हो, 0 से लेके 5 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द लाइन सेगमेंट. ठीक है, तो लाइन सेगमेंट मीन्स इट हैज़ 2 एंड पॉइंट एंड इट हैज़ अ डेफिनेट लेंथ. Okay children, now come to the next one, straight line. So see children, this is a figure of the straight line. ये straight line है. Okay, देखो straight line या line extend on both side. It does not have a definite length. ठीक है, it extended on both side, that is A and B. यहाँ ये A से भी आगे भी extend हो सकती है और B से भी आगे extend हो सकती है. तो this is called a straight line. Okay, and this is the symbol of a line. Okay, so properties of lines are it has no end point. Okay, it does not have a definite length and it can be extended endlessly on both the sides. Okay, and its symbol is AB. Okay, represented as this. Now come to the next, ray. Ray children, see the diagram of a ray. This is ray AB. So what is the difference here? तो देखो ये क्या रहा है, 1 point is fixed. ठीक है, in ray 1 end point is fixed and the other point it extended only in one direction. ray में क्या होता है कि एक तरफ से ये extend होती है लेकिन दूसरा point इसका fix होता है. तो ray means it has only one end point, that is point A. It does not have a definite length. It can be extended endlessly in one direction. Okay, ray extended endlessly only in one direction and its symbol is this. This is the symbol of a ray. Okay children, तो ray क्या है? It has only one end point. It does not have a definite length and it can be extended endlessly in one direction. Okay. Now next is plane. Plane means a plane is a flat surface that extend infinitely in all direction and it has no thickness. Okay, examples of a plane like surface of a paper, surface of a table, surface of slanted rooftop, a wall of your room. They all are the examples of plane. तो plane का मतलब होता है plane is a flat surface that extend infinitely in all directions. Okay, extend in all direction and it has no thickness. Okay.